Baba. 2, 4. Hanggang doon ka lang sa may gitna. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Before you can...
Ayan, sige. Before you can... Sige. Before you can reach me, you got to learn how to see me. I said, free your mind. Alright. Na-na-na-na-na. Tapos, be colorblind. Something like that. 6, 7, 8. Close, step close lang. 6, 7, 8. Right muna. Be colorblind. Alright, 6, 7, 8. Colorblind. Yan, close. Yan. So, free your mind. Na-na-na-na-na. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow. 6, 7, 8. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow. Parang. Don't be so shallow. Don't be so shallow.
Kasi yung alignment ko sa mga
diba? So, free your mind. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow. Ikaw bahala ka. Basta groove mo. Be so shallow. Okay yan. Free your mind. Tandan. Yan. Mas malikot na yan. Okay? So, yung una, walk lang yun, di ba? Yung may ganito. Yung next mo, gumagano na. Okay? Tapos pagpunta mo dito, be colorblind.
Don't be so shallow.
Tama ba?
Free your mind.
Be colorblind.
Don't be so shallow. Free your mind. Be colorblind.
Ulitin mo yung be colorblind.
Ulitin ko.
Be colorblind. Balik sa center. Don't be so shallow. Mas gagawin mo na yun. Free your mind. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow.
Pero mahina lang.
Yeah. Wala na yan. Takbo ka na. Okay? Tapos, free your mind. Something like, free your mind.
So, magpo-post na ka the girls.
Yes. Okay, yung una mo. Sige, review muna natin. Dito ko. So, 1-8. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Huwag ka titingin sa kanila. Parang naka-angulo ka lang na ganyan. Yabang lang. So, dun, 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 and bam, 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 and dun, dun, dun.
I feel true to know it doesn't mean that I'm a prostitute. No, no, no. I like rap music. Why hip-hop goes?
Ibahin mo yung ano mo Ibahin mo to. Huwag lang puro dito.
Where hip-hop goes?
Sige, i-exaggerate mo. Where hip-hop goes? Yan.
It doesn't mean that I'm not telling no. No, 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 no.
5, 6, 7, and
Why, oh why must it be this way?
walk lang talaga yan, Dun, dun.
Before you can read me, you got to learn how to see me and set free your mind.
Sa mind, Free your, sabayan mo yung,
Free your mind.
baba.
Colorblind, be so shallow. Tayo lang din.
Doon ka na sa circle.
Touch the follow. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow.
Dun, dun, dun.
Why, oh why must it be this way?
6, 7.
Before you can reach me, you got to learn how to see me. I said, free your
Malikot na yan.
mind. The rest will
Malikot yan,
follow. Be colorblind.
Yan na yan. So, be free your mind. Na, 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 na.
Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow.
Saan ka comfortable? Left? Sige. Be so shallow. Free your mind. Na, 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 na.
Be colorblind.
Be so shallow.
Free your mind, and the rest will follow. Be colorblind.
Be so shallow. Tama. Ay, meron ka pa nito, diba?
Oo.
Takbo.
Takbo na.
6, 7, 8.
Free your mind.
Okay? Ano pa? Poy, memorize mo mabuti.